welcome back to my channel. It's Licia here if you're tuning to watch me for the first time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this wig that I picked up for $11, $11.99. Like, seriously? So if you want to see how I styled it, then please keep watching. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get right in the video. So this is the wig I picked up. It looks like this. It's a Sensationnel in 1B. I picked up 1B 99J. This is what the wig looks like. It comes in this pack right here. I already took the plastic bag off it, so I'm going to style the wig. It has one comb at the back and two combs in the front. Gosh, this hair is so pretty. Water. This is what this wig looks like. It's something that you have to play with to get the style, like the curls at the top. It's a very affordable wig and it's big head friendly. I'm a medium size head and I still do have like a little bit of space left in the wig. It's tight. It has an adjustable strap that you could adjust to your liking. I honestly do love this wig. I love the way it fits. Honestly, I love synthetic wigs because if you own synthetic wigs and human hair wigs, it would help your human hair wigs last longer as well as the synthetic wigs. And the synthetic wigs also comes with a variety of styles that you could change it to, maybe a short hair like this, you feel me? Or long hair or whatever. And honestly, they've really stepped up the game with styling of the wigs and all of that. So I honestly love this wig. It's not a new wig. I just honestly just discovered this wig. So I highly recommend it and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what? Just hold on. I'm going to put on the second color that I picked up and we'll see what she looks like. Okay? So pretty, you guys. I highly recommend this hair. It's giving me like the Missy Elliott kind of look. Like, it's so pretty. It's one of those wigs that when you're in a hurry, you're late, you just throw it on, do a little bit of this and this, and you're off. You don't have to pull and, you know, do a lot of brushing and moisturizing and all of that stuff, you know. This is a very good wig to just throw on and go. I think I love this color much better than the black one. So I'm just gonna turn backwards so you guys can see what she looks like at the back. Guys, this is what this hair looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.